finally got my camera, my Sony A65 and the Sony 10 to 18 lens. Now we could do a stabilization test on the Feiyu A2000. So as you can see, so far it's doing a fantastic job. I'm just walking here as normal as I can, and if we look up there, we got the stairs right there. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna go up and down. We're gonna run, jog, and see how this stabilization gimbal will actually perform. So first we're gonna walk. Okay, so this is my first Sony camera. I converted from my Canon 70D to this, and so far I am getting the hang of it. There's a lot of settings that I need to figure out, but the good thing about it is that it's got a lot of mod that you could do to this camera, which is awesome. And a lot of people are saying that the screen display here, you can't really see when you're filming outside. You can see it, but not as good, but you could still see it. All right, so we're gonna pick up the pace here, guys. Okay, I'm jogging right now. Okay, we'll do a selfie shot and see how it performs. So overall, guys, the weight on this is quite heavy. My arms are getting tired already. Maybe because I added the extra rig for the phone there to do this video recording for you guys. But you definitely need 2 arms on this, guys. Ooh, my arms are getting tired, but eventually I'll get used to it. So we're gonna run over here. We're gonna see some more. We're gonna do some more tests. So I'm gonna run. Okay. I am getting tired. Okay, selfie shot while I'm running. Okay, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. My setup here, there's a reflector in the school. I'll just show you guys so you can see me what it looks like. So there I am. As you can see, there is my rig. Hold on. There's the rig attached to do the video recording, and this thing flips. It spins 360 degrees. Okay, and then it tilts all the way up, almost 360 degrees. Oh, it is, okay, 300. It does flip all the way. All right. And that's my setup, guys. As you can see, hold on, let me straighten this up. Trying to catch my breath here, guys. So that's what it looks like. Then you do have your mode switch down here. If you press it twice, it will lock up. So you have that mode. The tilt will lock up, and then if you turn from left and right, this will happen. Okay, if you press it 3 times, then you have the selfie shot right here. And it looks like you can't use the tilt controller. And then if you press it 3 times super fast, it will set to the lock mode. Your gimbal will lock up to the subject that you are focusing. Okay, let me try to turn it back. See, there you go, it locks up. Okay, so let me press it again 3 times, 3 times as fast. 1, 2, 3. There you go, it locks up. So I'm moving around while the gimbal just stays in one place. So there I am, guys, with the gimbal. As you can see, very smooth. I'm gonna try to redo the running test again, because for some reason when I was looking at the playback, there was some few shakiness. So now, since I removed the smartphone rig attached to the gimbal, I hope that might have fixed the issue. So let's do this again. I'm gonna run right now. Alright, so I hope it's nice and smooth compared to the last time. Okay, let's do that again. I'm gonna run again. I'm gonna try to run up the stairs. Whew. So right now I'm shooting at the widest angle, so hopefully you could see me. I'm in frame compared to the other last footage that you saw. Alright, so I hope this one turns out pretty smooth. Okay, let's do the locking mode. Alright, let's go back to my car. I'm gonna check out how it turned out. Hopefully it's nice and smooth, guys. And it feels so much lighter without that rig. This one's much tolerable. Alright guys, so let's measure this up. Let me just place this right in the middle. And I'll just place my hand around it just in case it slides off. So in grams, we got 2163. In kilogram, it is 2.163. In ounce, 76.30. And in pounds, it's 4768. So it does got some weight to it, guys. You definitely need some getting used to this rig, so that you could get used to the weight. But overall, it's not too bad. I only felt it when I had my smartphone rig attached to it when I was filming and recording from the back view. But other than that, it's not too bad of a weight. It's tolerable. And overall, when it comes to my conclusion about this gimbal is that the gimbal is not too bad. The build quality is solid. It is easy to use. The controller, the mode, it's so easy to use. Setting it up, balancing it is nice and quick and easy. And when it comes to the performance, I did notice some shakiness when I was running really fast. I tried doing it twice. The first one with the smartphone rig on the back, and the second one without it, and both footage turned out pretty much the same with some shakiness when I was running really quickly. But when I was walking normally and jogging, the stabilization turned out pretty good. So I don't know what happened when I was running quickly, why there were showing some shakiness there. I did get a software update on this before I did the test, and the camera was well balanced, guys. So I don't know what happened there. And also the payload of my setup here is not too heavy. It's I'll show you guys the weight so you guys have an idea that this thing is not overweight. So I don't know what really happened there. I'm a bit disappointed. You know, I was expecting that it will be nice and stable, but when I saw those two footages, I was kind of bummed out. So, but I'll show you guys the weight here. So this is the weight. So in grams, it's 751. So the total payload for this gimbal is 2,000. So this should take it. It should take it quite easily, guys. So I hope there will be a software update to this. They will hopefully fix the issue. And also, you're probably wondering why I have this quick release plate set up like this. Reason being is because if I push this all the way forward, it will hit the lens. It will scratch it. As you can see right there, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little few scratches there already. This is all brand new, guys. And look at that, it was rubbing, and now it's fading. My black paint there, it's fading away. So that's the reason why I had this set up like this. I hope this wasn't the cause of the shakiness, but I don't think so, guys. It was well balanced, and I don't know, I really don't know what happened. But overall, you know, if you're just shooting normally as what you're supposed to do, walking, slightly jogging, the footage turns out pretty good. So that's the main concern about that. We don't usually run when we shoot, but sometimes we do. But hopefully there will be a software update that will fix that issue. But other than that, it's not a bad gimbal, guys. So I wish I have another gimbal that I could compare this. I hope one day there's another company that will send me the crane, the Zhiyun Crane 2, so that I could do a comparison test and see the difference between them. But for now, this is the only thing I got, and I'm quite pleased with the gimbal, guys. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.